Grayscale waited for a long time for a decision, but it didn't turn out the way they thought. What would it be? In this video, we are going to see about the rejection of Grayscale spot Bitcoin. Let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, we have to know what is spot Bitcoin ETF is. A spot Bitcoin ETF is comprised of Bitcoin or asset related to Bitcoin's price. An ETF bundles securities like stocks or commodities, allowing investors to buy shares on the public market without directly owning the assets. Grayscale filed with the SEC on October 19 last year to convert its GBTC into a Bitcoin ETF. GBTC is Grayscale's largest product of worth $26 billion in asset under management. If it is approved by SEC, then this GBTC will be listed on New York Stock Exchange instead of OTCQX. This OTCQX is a trading in companies that are not listed on traditional exchange. The Grayscale company has waiting to hear back from SEC for approval. The CEO of Grayscale has hinted that they will sue the SEC if they were not approved their application. Grayscale investment application to convert their Grayscale Bitcoin worth $13.5 billion into spot Bitcoin ETF was rejected by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC rejected over a dozen of spot Bitcoin ETF last year, but it approved several Bitcoin future ETF. Spot Bitcoin ETFs trade based on the price of Bitcoin itself, while future-based ETFs trade based on the price of CME's Bitcoin future product. Grayscale sued the SEC almost immediately after its rejection. The case went straight to the appellate court and decision should be made within 9 to 12 months. The reason said by the SEC for the rejection of the application given by the Grayscale is that the application is failed to answer the question about the prevention of market manipulation and the preventing of possible frauds. Likewise, SEC also reject VanEck spot Bitcoin ETF. VanEck, one of the first firm in the world to ever file for a Bitcoin ETF. VanEck company is not giving up on its plan to launch its spot Bitcoin ETF in United States. They reapplied to SEC for the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. The deadline for the new application was on March 2023. Spot ETF launched in other countries without any issues, but the chairman of SEC, Gray Gensler, constantly opposed this spot Bitcoin ETF for market manipulation and for the consumer protection concern. To know more financial content like this, do subscribe to our channel.